Okay. So all of you, focus here. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, factorization. Okay. Now what this chapter is about, what is a factor? Okay. In this chapter now we learn everything about it. Okay. Starting with the basic, what is a factor? What is a factor? So let's say I have a term. Okay, let's say I have a term. You all know what a term is, right? So let's say I have a term. You know what is like term, what are unlike terms. Okay, I have a term. Let's say 30 x square y. Now this term 30x square y. This is this has what parts? Okay, let's say I'll give you this example. Okay, I'll name a dish. Let's say a burger. Okay, let's take a burger. Okay, now a burger, a chicken burger has what all things? It has a bun. Okay, it has a bun. It is a combination of a bun. Okay, chicken. It has chicken in between. Okay, it has jalapeno sauce. We can say sauces, various sauces. Okay, it has various vegetables. Okay, like lettuce and tomatoes. Okay, so like a burger is a combination of many things, right? Every food, any food you take, okay, it has some ingredients. Okay, it has some ingredients. These are some ingredients. But you understand the food item as as the term, and factors is basically its ingredients. Okay, factor is basically its ingredients. What all have we multiplied to make that term? Is this clear? What is a factor? Factor is basically the ingredients of a term. So let's say I have this term 30x square y. Okay, now this 30x square y is multiplication of basically 30 into x into x into y. So the ingredients are x, x, y, and 30. These are the factors of this particular term. Is this clear, guys? What are factors? Manisha, Abubakar, Aman, Priyanka, is this clear? What are factors?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aman, Priyanka, is this clear? Okay, fine. So these are factors. Now, Bachit, moving on in these factors, I have this 30. This 30 I can factorize further. How? By using prime factorization. Remember, prime factorization, basically breaking down a number into its prime forms. That is why we called it the term prime factorization. So now 2 15s are, 3 5s are, and 5 1s are. So this is the 30 is the combination of 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so basically the factors are 2, 3, basically 30 as the number x, x, and y. These are the factors. And 30 we can further factorize as as into prime factors. Is this clear to you all? So a burger.
Yes, sir.
Okay, easy. This is what a factor means. Now moving on, what does factorization means? Factorization is basically taking out the ingredients of the burger. Okay, of the burger, take out the chicken patty, take out the sauces, take out the vegetables. Okay, take out the bun. So you separate them. That is known as factorization. So basically, factorization is breaking down a term as the product of its factors. Product of its factors. Okay, this is known as factorization. Now, Who all got hungry after listening to burgers? Anyways, guys, write it down. Okay, then we'll move on further. Have you written this, all of you? Abubakar, Aman, Manisha, Priyanka.
Yes.
Okay. Moving on with this. Try to pick up a question. Okay. Now they are saying factorize this. Now factorize. How do we factorize this particular term? 12a square b plus 15ab square. 12a square b. This is example 1. 12a square b plus 15ab square. Guys, take out common. Take out common from both of them. What is common? Okay. First, see what is common in the numbers. 12 and 15. 12 and 15, from this we can take out common 3. Okay, because 12 and 15 has the highest common factor 3. Do you guys know how to find out HCF? Why? How to find out HCF? 12 factors are 2, 6, 3 and 4 and 1 and 12. 1 and 2 into 1 and 12. These are the factors of 12. 15 factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So guys, we can see the highest common factor for both of them is 3. Okay. Like the highest one. After 3, there is no common factor. So of course. So now 3 is the common factor. So I'll take out 3 common. Okay. A square it has and B it has. It has A and B square. So both of them has 1A. I'll take 1A common out. Both of them have 1B. So I'll take 1B common out. Inside I'm left with. Guys, I took out 3 out of 12. Now, not 12 minus 3. I took out basically this 3 would multiply inside to make it 12. So this will become 4. 12, what I'm going to do is what I take out common. 3 I took out common, so I'm going to divide 12 by 3. 12 by 3 is 4. I am left with now 4. And a square b. Out of a square b, I took out 1a and 1b. So basically, I'm left with 1a because a square means a into a. So I took out 1a, I'm left with another a. Plus 15. From 15, I took out 3 out. Okay, now this is what we are going to do is 15 by 3, that is 5. So this is 5 left here. A I took common out, 1B I took common out. So I am left with another B. This is how we do the factorization. I'll repeat it once again, guys. Manisha, any doubts?
No, sir.
See, I'll repeat this once again for all of you. 12a square b plus 15ab square, we had to find out the common factors. First, we look at the numbers 12 and 15. The highest common factor among them is 3. So I'll take out 3 common. How do we find the HCF? Write the common factors for them and find out the highest one. A square b and ab square. Guys, both of them have ab. So when I take out common ab. Now out of 12 a square b, I took out b common. So b to bahar aa gaya. B is out. I took out 1a. So a square actually means a into a. So this a out, only 1a left. So 1a. And this is 12. 12 is basically 3 into 4. I took out 3 common, so I'm left with 4. Got it? Same thing here. 15 is 5 into 3. I took out 3 common, so I'm left with 5. A I took out common. 1b I took out common. So this is basically b into b. 1b I took out common, I'm left with another b. Okay, if you want to check it, guys, you can check it by multiplying this inside. See, this is just the opposite of what you did in algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, where you were given this. Guys, you'll be so shocked to see this. Algebraic expressions, in algebraic expressions, you were given these type of questions. You were asked to make this basically multiply. Okay, 3ab you used to multiply by this 4a, then 3ab with 5b. Now you are given this, you have to find this. Is this clear, guys? Abu Bakar, Aman, Minisha, Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Priyanka, are you there? Priyanka, are you there, bache? Guys, we'll multiply this inside to check. So 3ab into 4a. So 3 into 4 is 12. A into a is a square and b. Plus 3ab into this. So 3 into 5 is 15. A and B into B is B square. See, exactly we are getting this. So this was example one. I hope this is clear to all of you. Aman, is this clear? Write this down. All of you know this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aman. Have you written this, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving on. Second example, we have factorize 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x raised to the power 4. Factorize 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x raised to the power 4. Now, would you guys like to try this yourself or should I tell this? You only tell me.
Sir, can you try it ourselves?
Sure, sure. Try it out. Yes, guys, what's the update? Doing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys, now we are going to discuss this. Abubakar, what's the update? Manisha, Priyanka, Aman. See, I gave you time for this question because this was the first of this type, and also you needed time to find out the factors. But now it's very much late. Factors of 10 is 1, 2, 5, and 10. Okay. Factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Okay, this is comma, not multiply, comma. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, 14. Comma, yaar. Why am I multiplying? Comma. Okay, now the highest common factor. First of all, I'd find the common factors between them. Okay, so 2 is a common factor for all of them. So 2. Then 2, 5. 5 is not here. So only 2 is a common factor, and that is the highest common factor also. Okay, so 2 is a common factor for all of them. X square, x cube, x raised to the power 4. We can see this has x square. This is greater than x square. This is greater than x square. So I'll take x square common out. Now inside I am left with this is 5 because 10 divided by 2. Basically this was 2 into 5. I took out 2, so 5 left. Now x square I took out, so 5 as it is minus. Out of 18 I took out 2. So 18 is 2 into 9. I took out 2, so 9 left. 9 and out of x cube. but out of x cube I took out x square. I'm left with x. Okay, because x and plus 14 I took out 2, so 7 I'm left with, because 2 7 is 14. And out of x raised to the power 4 I took out x square, so I'm left with x raised to the power 2. How is this possible, guys? See, if you multiply back 2x square into 5, that is 5 2 is 10, so 10x square. 5 9 2 is 18, minus 18, x square into x means x cube. 2 7 is 14, x square into x square is x raised to the power 4. Basically, eventually you will be getting this. I hope this is clear to you all. How did we do this? Manisha, Abubakar, Aman, Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, did you get this, or are you just saying yes?
Sir, I
Yes, sir,
got
got
the
it.
x square, but like I couldn't get the variables inside. Like what I should do, like to get 5 minus
You
9x plus 9 square. I got 5,
you
9,
know
and 7, but I didn't get the others.
you didn't get
The
the x part.
variables.
That how is it x and x
The
square?
variables. Yeah.
Okay. See, Manisha, we can write I can write x cube as x into x square, right? Because we'll add the power, so this is x raised to the power 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so x square I took out, x square I took out, so I'm only left with x, so that's why 9x. X raised to the power 4 I can write as x square into x square. The reason is bases are same, they are being multiplied, so the powers would add. So that is 2 plus 2 is 4. Eventually it is 2 plus 2 is 4. So I took out x raised to the power 2, so I am left with x square only. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Totally clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Manisha got it. Abu Bakar, totally clear?
Yes, sir.
Aman, Priyanka, note this. All of you note this.
Done, sir.
Okay, all of you are done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, try this. Factorize means you have to take out the common part out of it. 12x plus 36. Try it down, all of you. Uh, Priyanka, we can take out much more common. 2 is a common factor, but it is not the highest common factor. You are left with 6 and 18. 6 and 18 do have a common factor. You can take that out. Okay, bache? Try it down. Like 12 and 36, the highest common factor is not 2. Think about what it can be. Guys, see here. Out of 12x and 36, the highest common factor is 12. I can take out 12. So 12, I will be left with x here. Plus out of 36, if I take out 12, I will be left with 3 because 12 into 3 is 36. Okay, guys. How do we do this? Factorize 12. So 12 common factors are 2, 6, 2, 3, and 3, 1. Yeah, ऐसे मत करो. Or if you want to find out HCF now, guys, what you can do is, actually, I'll tell you how to find out HCF in the next class. Okay, that would be easier. Right now, we are done with this. We'll be continuing this in the next class. Okay, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay, Nisha. Okay, Priyanka. Okay, okay. Thank you. I'll see you in the next class. Wait, someone has written something in the chat. Okay, correct answer. Good.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, thank you, Priyanka. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Welcome. Bye.